is going on? Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boy, what is going on? Yeah. What we got for you? What we got for you? Welcome to TMC. Cribs in the house. Yeah, boy. TMC. Yeah, that's how we roll right here. Woo! All right, what is going on today? Today I'm going to show you what TMC Cribs is all about. All right, I'm going to show you my crib, where I sleep, all my truck, inside of my truck, so you guys get to know what I have inside my truck, and maybe you guys can get some of the stuff that I have. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you around the facility of Brownsburg Terminal. We are in the Brownsburg Terminal, one of the best, cleanest, and slick terminals there is for TMC. Yeah, boy. So let's get ready to roll. You know, that's right there. It's over there in the back. All right, so let's get ready to roll out. Yeah, let's start this party. Yeah, boy. TMC Cribs in the house, and let's go check this out. Yeah. And my truck is actually right there. They still haven't worked on it, so I'm probably gonna be stuck for a little while. It's all right, it is what it is. We'll figure out how to make that money work, you know what I'm saying? And this is the where we wash our trucks, the wash bay. And all the new trucks are right over here. So one of you guys, if you guys aren't training, that's what you guys are gonna be having. Let's check these babies out over here. This is it. All right, gotta do your food, gotta prep your food for the week. And that's how you do it. Just like how he's doing it. Yeah. We got our fitness room. State-of-the-art equipment. Yeah, look at this. Oh, yeah. This is nice. Man, love working out here. Got DirecTV here on. Yeah, this is where we pump up. Yeah, see that? Look at those muscles. That's where I pump up right here. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Man, how good do I look? Yeah, look at those muscles. Pump it up. Yeah, boy. Yeah. That's what's going on right here. Yeah. Love it. I love it. Love working out. We got a laundry room, free laundry, free detergent. Bathrooms are right here. And all the safety logs, all departments over in there. You gotta scan your eye. You gotta scan your fingerprints to get in there. Yeah, I'm telling you, state of the art. And here we got the showers. Let's see if we can go in here. Housekeeping, housekeeping. Yeah, this is the bathroom, the showers. Pretty nice showers. All right. So, one thing, guys. All right. Let's keep these bathrooms clean. All right. So when you come here, shower, clean up after yourself. Wipe all down. Wipe the floors down. Wipe the sink down. You know, I always do that. Rinse the showers. Don't leave beard hair all over. All right, because nobody wants to come to a nice shower and see all that, all right? My wife would kill me if I do that, yeah. Be quiet, be quiet. Advanced TQM. Yeah, boy. Ooh, yeah, what is going on? Yeah. All right, guys, that's it. Let's go outside and see what's cooking. Yeah. Yeah, all right. We got grilling here. Look at that, man. Man, that looks good. Sweet. Look at that. All right, so this is where we do the grilling. Check this place out. It's nice. We can grill anything you want. You can prepare your lunches for the weekend. So it's a good place to do your 34 reset. And yeah, that's how we do it. Yeah, boy. TMC. Yeah. Let's go check out my truck. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boy. All right. So, welcome to TMC Cribs. This is my truck. Now I'm going to show you the inside of my truck. Let's get it on. Yeah. Yeah, boy, what is going on? Yeah, boy. So, this is my truck. This is what I'm rolling. This is where all the magic happens. By magic, I mean magic, money. Yeah, boy. Yeah, what is going on? So, this is my truck. Let me show you around. Let me show you what I carry in my truck. Right now I don't have a trainee, so it's all for me. Yeah, I get all this awesome space and yeah, not sharing it with someone. So I ended up have to take a, I don't know, like a month break of training. Every once in a while, I like to take a break, you know, from training because it is intense. It is I do get, you know, stress. It's a stressful training. Is very stressful. So yeah, but I'm glad I have no training right now because I can show you the inside of my truck and how I like to keep it. I like to keep it clean. I'm a very clean person. I love it clean. And so yeah, let's get busy and let's go. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. All right, so this is it. This is normally where I sleep, right? Everybody knows that. The top is where the trainees. So I normally on the top just, you know, I have all my stuff, my backpack, all my water, everything. And that's actually my fridge over there. Now when I have a trainee, I'll have my fridge down here in the corner, all right? And that's where I'll have it. And yes, I you know, it's a very small fridge. It's a pretty small fridge, so you know, I got two. I got one for me and one for my trainee. This is a microwave. I got the super fan right here. It's freaking nice. You guys gotta have one of those. I got in here all my like food and stuff, like my hot sauce, because you gotta have some hot sauce especially with those popcorn. Yeah, that's how we Mexican roll with the hot sauce. And right now, hold on, let me get this. All right, so down here, you got a fridge for the trainees right here. Right now, I got the safety pins so they don't, because sometimes the door will open. These are really good to get. And then there you go. Right now, I got some Thai food. I just went to get some Thai food. And look, you can fit those containers perfectly right there. And I got some smaller containers and I can fit 5 of them. And I love them. I love them. Yeah. So that's my fridge right there. And, you know, of course, if you guys by yourself, you can buy one fridge, you know. But yeah, that's a pretty small fridge, really small fridge. It holds food for a week. So now that I have 2 fridges, I actually put a fruit on that top fridge. I'll have some fruit, strawberries, blackberries, all that kind of good stuff. Sandwiches, you know, up there. And then right here, I'll have the meals that I plan normally, which you guys know, salmon. I love my salmon, steak, and my chicken. And, you know, you gotta keep healthy, you gotta get healthy. You gotta be healthy for this stuff. This driving is you see a lot of temptations with food, all right? Restaurants, Denny's, all that kind of stuff. And you gain weight, and that's something we don't wanna do, especially in this kind of business. You don't wanna gain weight. You don't wanna be overweight because it gets hard, all right? Yeah, so this is the truck. What else? What I got here? Here, you know, got my clothes. You can see that. It's pretty big, all right? We got the TV right here. All right, we got the TV. And on the bottom, you know, we got more stuff. I got my coffee pot over there. All right, so we got a lot of room. You got a lot of room here for all this kind of stuff, the TV, and all right. So one of the things, this is my baby. Yeah, no, it's not a gun. No way. Let me show you what I got here. Yeah. All right, let me show you what I got here. Look at my babies. Yeah. Look at this, baby. You know what that is, right? I got my Cuban stash down here. Yeah. All right, for those who wanted to know what I smoke, I got this La Gloria Cubana. La Gloria Cubana, amazing cigar. I got Cohibas. All right, this one's a good one. Here, it's San Cristobal. It's a very good one. It's not a bad cigar. I mean, it's from San Cristobal from Honduras. So, La Gloria Cubana. I got the dot, the Cohiba, red dot. And I just smoked this baby out. The red dot Cohiba on this one. Amazing cigar. Amazing cigar. All right, wait. But I haven't showed you my ride. Yeah. Every TMC crib gotta show you your ride. So let's go outside and let's check out my ride. Yeah, boy. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, gotta look good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, this was my truck. That was my ride. This is TMC Cribs. And guess what? I gotta go. You gotta stay safe. Now what time it is? It's time to get out of here. Yeah, boy.